Okay, let's refresh this one first of all, and this is the second one. I'm gonna refresh this as well. Let's get right into the video where I'm going to show you that how I booked this 40k profit. I'm providing all these amazing videos breakdown. What you guys need to do is simply subscribe this channel for more content like this, which gives me motivation. Let's see the overall picture. That was the stock right in front of me. From this low till the recent high, I created this equilibrium right here. In this equilibrium, if you see, I took this all-time high because that's been touched twice here, and that is the low of the market created exactly after this high. That's the high, and then it showed a retracement, and only after this retracement the market showed a one-sided journey towards the upside. So I took this as my low. Second thing is that this particular stock is trading inside this 0.5 area. That is my equilibrium area. That tells me how bullish this stock is. Whenever it gives a retracement, it moves towards a new high, again giving a lower low here, creating the similar high, and again creating a lower low here and staying above the 0.5 mark. That is giving me more conviction to enter the trade yet again. Now I already traded this stock on this particular breakout. Okay, we'll show that PNL as well maybe later. Okay, it's also like 15-20,000 rupees that I booked around this particular move right here. But this video is not about that. This is more about the confidence that you get later on. So that trade definitely gave me a later on confidence. Here it is a descending triangle pattern breakout, right? And here if you see, that is the low, and then it creates a lower low. But this lower low was not a continuation. You never got a continuation formation here. Rather, the stock created a gap again here and moved toward the higher side again to come back inside. Oh, this is not a trending market. So trend lines that I'm going to make in this particular chart is just for the reference for the entry points, because this is completely sideways market. If you see, that's the high of the market again, and that is the low of the market. Now one can say that they can enter at this candle or maybe at this candle. Okay, but if you see, this is a rather better candle to enter because it is showing you a lower wick rejection, but then you should wait for a counter trend line breakout like this. So that was my entry in one of my trades. Again, if you see, that is like a good candle right here, a continuation candle. Okay, but then you need a breakout candle for that continuation, right? So I created a counter trend line from this area like that. So a similar reversal candle at the support area, or you can say above the 0.5 equilibrium, and then a breakout candle right here of the counter trend line that I have created. So that was my entry. Let's remove every drawing here and just create the overall setup now. Here if you see, the risk of this particular trade comes out to be 4% and the reward comes out to be around 10%. That is almost 1:2.7 risk reward ratio. That is amazing, right? So it is a low risk high reward trade. Even if you lose, if the stock comes back to this area, a high chance it will fill the gap first. There is a high chance it will attend this demand zone and might just fill the gap, then creating maybe a higher low, a similar low, anything. So this area, keeping a stop loss at this area makes a lot of sense. I got a 7% movement on day number 1. Now anything could have happened at this area, right? So the first thing that you guys need to do is, once you are done with your 1:1 risk reward ratio and the markets are like this, sideways, or the mid cap, small caps are not giving momentum, or your strategy is not working just like it used to do. So what you need to do is, once you get a momentum, do this. That means now you are at break even. You don't have to give a single penny to the markets. If the markets now give an engulfing candle of this or slowly comes back to zero, you're out of the trade, but let it run for the target now. In this case, if you see, the market is also giving a breakout of this particular zone, and not only that, we are hitting our target. So that's how it is done. So this is stock number 2. Now while I was watching this particular stock, if you see, okay, let's see what is the bottom here. So that is the bottommost point. So I'm going to keep my equilibrium point there, and then the next equilibrium point at the topmost area. Now you will see the stock was continuously taking support at the equilibrium once, twice, thrice, only to give a breakdown. And once it gave a breakdown, it was taking support at this particular area, which once used to be a resistance. After this breakout, it was treating that area as support, which was nice. It took support from here, and then again it gave a breakout above the equilibrium of 0.5. That means price is now again sustaining around that area. If you see, sustaining and creating a higher base there. So this is base number 1 and this is base number 2. So if you see, base number 2 is higher in price than base number 1, and base means that the price is consolidating or remaining in a sideways market at a certain area. It's not moving up, but it is not moving down as well, showcasing strength that it can just be a base and move higher in the future. And in this case, if you see, it did move towards the higher side, retraces back, creates a base number 2 here. Okay, so in the end, it will look something like this. Now, what I will do is again the same thing. Is a support area that has been created by the market. Many times the market has reacted to this particular space and now also creating a higher low base, gives a strong candle towards the upside. Now focus at this area. If you see, the market was moving towards the downside, creates this huge dragonfly type candle. If you say lower wick, strong rejection candle, but still a red candle. If you see, it's kind of a mother bar candle. The next candle is inside bar. That means it's high, it's low, it's closing and it's opening. Every single thing is staying inside this particular huge lower wick rejection candle. Then the market creates a breakout above that. Not only that, it creates a solid candle, breaches the previous high closing wise, breaches the previous high wick wise, and every single high has been taken out here with this strong candle. This particular pattern, the stock is giving amazing breakout here. Now I'm going to enter. That was my entry price, keeping a 10% stop loss in this area, planning for a 20% trade here, 25% around, planning for at least a 20% movement here. Now I have showed you half of the PNL of this particular trade, that is around 20k, although I have booked around 40k in this particular trade, which I will later show you in my video. And definitely, if you want to see more such videos, make sure you subscribe this channel, because I'm keeping the things simple, easy for you. All you have to do is click that subscribe button. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers this month. Sure, you follow my Telegram, because there I'm going to update everything that's happening in my swing trading life. My overall supply zone. Okay, but I have a tendency to exit before that, just to be on the safer side and take the profits home. That is my mentality. Maybe in the future I might change that mentality for bigger profits. So guys, you can see literally this particular stock gave some consolidation, directly went up. Stop loss intact. Once it is hitting 1:1, what I'm going to do on this particular candle, I'm going to take my stop loss to 0, break even. Now if the stock after this breakout also, let's go to a smaller time frame here. Going to a smaller time frame here. So on this candle, if you see this rejection candle right here, if the stock gives a rejection, comes back here, that is my exit basically. So I'm keeping it to the break even, but in this whole area, if it is not hitting my 1:1, until it is not hitting that, I'm not exiting. Now if my plan is 1:1, then I will exit the stock directly, but here the plan was 1:2, half of the profits here, and let the other profits run till this area. I hope you learned something today from this particular video. My whole point was to make you guys understand that just keep the things simple, focus on the price action, and if you want to learn these strategies, low risk high reward trades, keep following this particular channel. We are going to hit 10,000 subscribers, which is a big achievement for me. Thanks a lot for all the support. My Telegram link is given in the description and in the comment section of this video. If you want to follow me there, you may.